all know that Python is a programming language which is based on object-oriented OOPS concept as similar to Java. And Python is having similar features to Java and it is applied to the same field as Java, such as web development, machine learning, and data science. Python is also having a database which is similar to ODBC, which is a database in Java. So why Python is so important when comparing to Java? Like Java is also object-oriented concept. So the why, the question is very important. It could be asked in your interview and it could be asked in your examination viva. So let's see why it is so important. The first most thing is that Python is having lots of libraries. Yeah, if I figure it out, it is 137,000 libraries included in Python. Yes, my friends, that's right. And it is easy to learn. The important thing is that it is very easy to learn. In the next video, we will start with our coding part. Like we will go to Jupyter Notebook and we will see how Python will work. Then you will come to know that why it is easy to learn. Along with it, it also has some disadvantages. So let's see that. The first is speed limitation. Yes, you heard the right. As it is very popular and it is having lots of library, it is slow when comparing to C and C++. And second thing is that design restriction. As we can see that in Java we have to define lots of variable, string type, integer. In Python it's not like that. Hence it creates runtime error in lots of cases. The second is that underdeveloped database access layer. As I said you before that it is also having a database as Java, that is ODBC. So it also has that and it is underdeveloped, not that much developed as Java. So where Python is used nowadays? It is used in NASA, Google, YouTube, Bitcoin, and etc. etc. In the next video, we will continue with our Jupyter Notebook. Till then, thanks.